303 stairs. One hand-cranked ferry. A beach that nearly wrecked our legs on the way back. This is a full day in Saugatuck, Michigan, start to finish, no cuts, no faking it. This is Mount Baldhead Park. 303 steps straight up a sand dune, and there's history built into every one of them. That plaque's a real Cold War radar station, more on that later. Top of the dune, and the view opens up instantly. Straight down the far side, and that's Oval Beach, real Lake Michigan, packed on a warm afternoon. Water's clear enough we got shots right under the surface. Water's clear enough we got shots right under the surface. This is the payoff for that climb. Here's the twist nobody tells you, getting to the beach is the easy part. Now we climb that same steep sand straight back up, past the tower again, and it's brutal, steeper than it looks on camera. Hiker reviews all say the same thing, the sand beats the stairs. Back at the top, it's the staircase the rest of the way down. Coming back down, there's even a plaque mapping the river itself, tugboats and old timber runs. This whole coast has more history than you'd guess from the beach crowd. Quick stop at the local museum, and here's the twist, those stairs we just climbed only exist because of that radar tower. Real Cold War hardware, one of just 3 surviving stations like it in the whole country. We climbed one without even knowing it. This is the Saugatuck chain ferry, and it's real, the last hand-cranked chain ferry running anywhere in the US. $3, and someone just cranks you across the river by hand. No motor. No engine. Just muscle and a chain. One more walk through downtown before we call it. Turns out this coast had a rival town called Singapore, buried by shifting sand after the timber ran out. 303 stairs, a brutal sand climb, a hand-cranked ferry, all in one day. Our legs are done. But this is exactly why we drive out here. If you're anywhere near West Michigan, put this on the list.